What's up, Snapchat? It's bright and early. I still got the same clothes on. I fucking know! Wasn't supposed to have to get up and go do this shit right now. But, happy I am, motherfucker. My shit is here. On its way. About to be at the house. Let's go. I'm about to go put everything together. Get that shit cracking, man. That shit about to be fun as fuck, man. Like, YouTube, streaming, all that shit, man. So make sure y'all, y'all follow, like, subscribe. Twitch, make sure you go over there, check it out. More than just me, you know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all support me too, okay? Alright, we good. Alright, guys, man, I'm back. We here. Delivery man just left, but we got our package. So, we about to go ahead. We about to get set up, get everything put together. This process, I heard it take like an hour for an experienced, to even an hour and a half, for somewhat experienced, because they say it's not that much work. It's really just like the handlebars and a few other things. From the looks of it, I don't need that. I'm not gonna have to put the tire. You can't turn this thing around? Oh shit, you can't flip the fucking camera around? That's crazy. Anyways, though, I don't feel like getting my my Socko out right now. But as you can see, like it's pretty lengthy. So I'm pretty sure the tire's already on there. That makes shit so much easier for me if it is. We go find out though. Go ahead and try to give y'all a look. Let's see if I could. That's just how your package come. Safer wholesale. Safer wholesale. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit set up so I can get going. I'll see y'all back. Alrighty. Thank y'all for stopping by, checking out the video. I hope y'all stay. Hope y'all watch the whole video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. That's helped me beat the YouTube algorithm here. Now, what I have here today, I'm unboxing the 125cc Samurai Street Bike 4-speed manual motorcycle scooter from Safer Wholesale. Now, I was very excited to get this product. As you can see, the smile on my face says everything. I never had a motorcycle before. I had a four-wheeler, but I gave it up for my first car. So, to have a small engine vehicle like a motorcycle, four-wheeler, dirt bike, anything like that, it's just fun to ride on. Got them keys. All right, now. Now, just to give you some features and specifications of the bike itself, while I am taking off the frame here, at least attempting to take off the frame, it has the 16-inch rims, 23-inch tires. It's electric start with the handlebar width at 26 inches. It does seat 2 people, but it got a weight limit because it's not big. So small riders, unless you go ride by yourself. The top speed is 50. Now that depends on the rider or the weight. You'll see later in the video. I weigh about 130 probably. So I did get it a little bit above 50. We're gonna try to do some specs and modifications to the engine and all those things once I learn a little bit more. So that I just want to get it to go up to 60, 65, and I'd be happy with that. Now it comes with the disc front brakes and rear hydraulics. It's a 125cc. It's a 4-stroke motor, 83 inches in length, 21 inches in width, 45 inches in height, and the seat sits at 36 inches. It's a keyed ignition, and we got the LED lights and brakes. And the super bright halogen headlights. Now I got a problem with one of my headlights, man. That motherfucker keep going out. You having a ride with the brakes on and shit. Hopefully the cop don't pull me over. Now this is a street legal bike though, so you can ride this on the roadways in all 50 states. I would just suggest staying off the freeway because it's not gonna go fast enough to keep you with the flow of traffic. Now I got this, and everybody keeps telling me, be safe, be safe, be safe. I appreciate it, but I'm always safe. You know, I enjoy life. You know I might get hurt, I might get nicked up here and there. But you know what don't kill you usually makes you stronger. So, you know, you want to go ahead and go for whatever you want to go for in life. Because, you know, just going to other people's lengths and, you know, what other people may think is right for you may not be what you believe is right for you. Now, I am a beginner, so, you know, I'm looking at this like, what's going on? You know, what do I do next? But, you know, eventually got it all down packed. I want to be able to bring, you know, a lot more videos to my YouTube. All different types of, you know, small engine vehicles, dirt bikes, four-wheelers, motorcycles. Anybody I know, you know, once I can get some more, I'm definitely going to. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just glad I finally get to do it. And I just want to share my experience with everybody, because you know, you might go through the same experience, or you might be wondering, you know, I want a motorcycle, or where should I start? The perfect place to start is with a starter bike. So this is what we have right here. Nice little starter bike. Got it all. Stopped the video a little bit. Finished up. Got it started and got it running. So let's check it out. So they didn't get it above, oh no, right there it hit 51, but I didn't get it above that in this video, but I definitely got it up to like 56 before. So we go keep grinding, keep trying to get it up there. Be back for more videos once I finish fixing this muffler. Thank you all for watching. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Spark up.